Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. And students, tomorrow is your examinations, and I know you all are very well aware of this point of view. And I hope you all are just in touch of study right now, and just preparing for the upcoming examinations. So. From the examinations point of view, I would like to tell some points which will be helpful to you all in the upcoming examination. First of all, you all know that students, pattern of examination. Your question paper will be divided into 3 sections. I repeat, your question paper will be divided into 3 parts, 3 sections, and here are they. The first section will be of reading skills, and the second section will be of writing skills, and third section will be of literature, textbook and supplementary reading test. So let us come to the first section, reading skills. Section A, reading skills. Reading skills will be based on MCQs. There will be a paragraph given in the paper, and we have to attend the MCQs which has been just given up below the paragraph. There will be a paragraph, and you have to go through the paragraph very carefully. You have to read the paragraph very carefully, and then after try to attend the questions which has been given just below the paragraph. And section B will be of your writing skills with grammar. Some questions will be asked from grammars like tenses, modals, and voices, and there will be an editing. There will be a paragraph full of mistakes, and you have to make the sentence correct just by using your comprehensions, your skills, your writing skills, and how long you have been studying for that. And writing skills will be based on your grammars and as well as your way of expressing your ideas. How you express your ideas, like if suppose there will be a letter given in the examinations. Letter will be of different kinds, like complaint letters or appreciations letters, or insanitary conditions in your locality, mean to say your surrounding is not clean, and you have to make it clean by the authority given in the letter. There will be everything crystal clear. Just need to go through the questions and just see to whom you are going to write to that letter. So letter will be letter is very easy. You all have you must have studied about letters, the format of letters, and all those things in your previous classes. Due to lack of time, I could not be able to teach you all the format of letter, but I know you all can do it, and in coming days I will teach you how to write different kinds of letters, formal or informal letters. Students, the section 3 will be based on literature, textbook and supplementary readings. You all know that you have 2 books in your syllabus. So all those 2 books will be asked in your examinations, and you must have prepared from those 2 books. I hope you must have prepared from those 2 books very well. So students, that's very important to you all. Just go through those 2 books and try to comprehend what have been given in that chapters. And I know you must have prepared all the chapters, and the PDF has been given to you all. So according to that PDF, according to that chapters that will come into your examinations, will be able to understand what is to be written there. I hope you all will do well, because it's a long time you have been preparing for the examinations. And students, question will be based on short answers as well as long answers, and you have to attempt all those questions. It doesn't make any difference whether you are going to attend the section C or going to attempt section B or going to attempt section A. It depends on you which one is suitable for you. Just go through the sections and try to attempt all those things. I hope you are getting my points. Unless or until if you are not getting my points, if you have any problems, any doubts regarding the examinations pattern, so you can text me, because your examination is just tomorrow. So whatever I have given the instructions to you all, I told you. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. I will try to resolve your problems as well. So students, don't get panic for the examinations. The more you study, the more you will get good marks. So it depends on you how much you have been in the period of study. So I have explained each and everything in details. So just take the help of internet as well. All those chapters, especially from the chapters as well as from the grammar section. It will help you a lot in the upcoming examinations that will be held tomorrow. I hope everything is okay. So students, once again, I appreciate your efforts, and I wish you all the best for the examinations. I hope you will do best. Until or unless you can do best, you have to prepare yourself at home. It's a very crucial time. So devote your time in learning process, in studying, and just gaining lots of knowledge. So students, I hope you all understood the point which I was discussing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I repeat, if you have any doubt regarding the examinations, you can text me. Do not try to call until it's very important to you. So go through the video and just see what I have instructed you all. Hope you all once again hope you all the best for the examinations. Thank you so much for watching this video.